What's up, guys? So today we will be washing my truck with a quick about 30-minute detail, and I'm going to show you how it's done. So for the products that I use, I'm going to try out this new kind of microfiber brush that I just got. It's kind of like the mitts, but in a brush style. I'm also going to be using this foam cannon. I also got this on Amazon, about $15. Using the Chemical Guys Maxi Suds 2 in the foam cannon and also with the bucket, and then mixing this 50-50 in here for the wheel cleaner. And I'm going to try something new and dry the car off with a leaf blower. This is an electric leaf blower by Greenworks. I've never tried this before, but I've seen some videos on people doing it, and I think it'll be beneficial and make it go quicker. Also going to be using the Greenworks 1800 PSI pressure washer. So I start off by doing the rims first, and I'll show you how that process is done. Using the 2-bucket method is a very beneficial way of washing your car because it avoids scratches. So what you do basically is have one bucket with soap, one with water, and then go back and forth between them, rinsing the dirt in this one, just to keep most of the dirt in one bucket and just try and avoid scratches. that's left to do is just apply tire shine and do the interior, and then you'll be good. Thank you guys for watching.